little flashback to 2012. Welcome to Simple Rud. What you have in front of you is my current project and my very first project. This is my first computer build done back in 2012. It is massive. I love the case though. The Storm Trooper is, well, it's phenomenal. Between all the fans it came with, the massive airflow it allows, and just the room for stuff. We'll get her open and show that. As for size, she's not small. So let's open her up. Now, one thing I enjoyed about this case was just how easy it was to open it up. You got two thumb screws on the back. Once you take those out, little spot for your fingers there, whole back just slides off. Now once you get past all the dust in that, you will see that I have a massive Noctua cooler. It's the DH14. So it's got the ugly fans, but it is cooling a 3770K, which is still pretty good for gaming. I was gaming on this computer last December until I built my new one. It's got the 670 EVGA, so that's 4 GB, which is still reasonable for gaming. You're probably not doing AAA titles anymore. You're definitely not running anything over 1080p all that well. But for 1080p, it'll still game, and it'll still play a decent amount of games. Being my first build, I did not cable manage like I should have. There are lots of opportunities for improvement on what is here. The biggest one is, well, it's dirty. Now, I ran this thing for 7 years straight, and it's been in storage for the last 6 months. So, my goal with this is I just ordered a P400a Phanteks case, and I'm going to pull the motherboard out. I'm going to buy a new power supply, something modular, and I'm going to throw it in the P400a, and I'm going to set my son up so that he can game, and we'll see how he does with that. Now, I'm not sure if I want to switch out and get the Chromax, or if I just want to make something out of acrylic to cover it, or if that massive cooler will even fit in the P400a. All of this I still have to do a little more research on. But this case I'm going to keep around. I think later on it could still be an amazing project. Now, part of that is you do have not only a lot of cooling, but you have a lot of hard drive space. Again, she's dirty. So you got two fans, both actually on the front light up red, which with the red on the top really gives it a cool look. But you have all of these bays, so still got a Blu-ray disc that will not go in P400a. You got one hard drive, and then I have in here a Samsung solid state. Originally what I had was an OCZ PCIe Express solid state. That thing was expensive when I first bought it, and sadly about a year and a half ago it died. So I had to replace it, and I went with Samsung solid state. Booted up everything, runs great. So I'm excited, and I'm excited for the P400a. It's great for airflow, so keeping everything air cooled would be great. It is a blower style graphics card, so not ideal, but I never had any overheating issues with it. So if I run into that, maybe my son will get lucky and he'll get an upgraded graphics card. As for now, this is going to work great. If you liked the video and you look forward to more projects, hit like and subscribe down below. Thank you.